So today a special day. We hit 100K followers. So we got Duda Man. Can't nobody else do it. Duda can. Hey! Yes, sir. Since we hit 100K, we got us a crab boil. Yes, sir. Got us a big crab boil. No spice for Duda. Ooh, Duda Scooter. Let me open that thing up for us. Wanna get off in there? I ain't gonna open that like that. Hold on. Duda. Yes. Ooh, look what they got you, dude. Ooh. Got us some corn, dude. We went to Shell Shack. Want my corn? Let me see your corn. Some. Got us some shrimps, dude. Yes, sir. Wow. Try it. Try that shrimp. You like shrimp? Yeah, shrimp ain't that bad, yeah. Shrimp good, ain't it? Y'all can like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave the name somewhere in the video. Yes. We got potatoes too, Doodle. Wanna try potato? How you like that? It wasn't that bad, was it? Yeah, dude. What else we got, dude? I know we got some sausages in here. And there you go. Want a piece of sausage? Try that. And we got crab legs, dude. You ain't never had them, do you? Ooh, I don't know how we can get this one open, dude. All the good stuff in the middle. Sometimes there be some meat up there too, dude. Ooh, there's a lot of crab meat in that, dude. Try that. How you like that crab meat? Want some more? Hold on, I got you. You like that? You like that crab meat? Get some more. That crab. You like crab? I like crabs. It's my favorite part. Your favorite part probably the corn. But me, I like the crab. little more? You find out you like crab legs too. We're gonna work on this crab leg. We'll see what we can get up out of here. This is a trick I learned, though. Put you on a trick I learned. How you get that crab meat out of there. You hear me? This what you do. So what you do is, you open up one side, open up that other side. This comes from years of crab meat. Then you blow it. Look at that. Yeah. Try that. Get your bite of that. That's what I learned. That's how you get that crab up out of there. So I'm gonna show y'all again. So you break that side. Right? And you come break that side, right? The other side is biggest. Take that side. Hold on. Whatever side biggest. No, you gotta open this some more. Once you get that open, you blow it. It ain't working, dude. You gotta open this some more. Hold on. This one might come on up out of there. Look at that, dude. This one being difficult. We're going to get this one open, dude. We're going to have to crack this one open. We're going to get this crab up out of here, dude. We're going to get this meat, dude. I promise you that. We're gonna do that. Oh, that's why. I see why it didn't come out. Yeah, get you some of that. Try that, dude. It was stuck. It was stuck on that one. What's that? Gotta get up in there. There's a lot of meat in that. Yes, sir. You got to get up in that, dude. We're gonna dip that in a little bit of that sauce. I'm gonna throw a lot of garbage over there, dude. We'll worry about that later. Get some meat in there. Get that on the shrimp. Whenever you're done with that, I got some more corn for you, okay? Ooh. Ooh, shoom. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? We're gonna let a few more followers get here first. A few more viewers. Today a celebration. So we had to do something extravagant. We hit 100K followers, so we got us a seafood boil. We appreciate everybody that supported, everybody that followed. We appreciate all the love. Can you crab me? Yeah. Crab me good. Want that potato? Get that potato, man. Want my taco? You blow it. All the meat come out. Want my taco? Crack both of them ends and you blow. Everything else don't float. You gotta let me peel that for you. Let me peel it. I got you. You can't just eat that one like that. You gotta peel those, dude. I'll teach you about that a little later. You can eat that all day. You can do your thing with that one, dude. Scoop. Get some of that. I would really appreciate it if y'all can subscribe to our YouTube channel at Grisco Macaro. It's the same name as on here. Just in case they do something with TikTok, we'll be ready. Want some more of that shrimp? Get you some of that shrimp. Want another piece of corn? You can toe this one up. A little bit, man. Oh. What else we got over there, dude? Oh, we got more shrimp and stuff, too. We appreciate everybody. All the love, all the... Want some of that sausage? We doing good. How y'all doing? Go get you one. I wish you had your seafood boil now, so we can eat together. The corn so ooh. Was that the doodle dance? What you about to kick? That's a big piece of corn. You wanna try that one? What you bite of that one? Oh, look at that dude. Ah! Get him ah! Ah! Ah, dude! Ah! Help me! Help me, please! Help me, please! Oh, dude! Ah! Ah! I gotta do it. We back. Got in my eye, dude. Ah. Ooh. Ah. That ain't funny, man. He used to be on my team. What you laughing at? Ah. Ooh, wee. Oh, boy. Ah. Dude, what was that? How do you ain't got no spice in it, dude? That would have been tragic. Woo. Oh, my Lord. Hey, get you some. Don't be laughing at me, man. They already laughing at me. You gonna laugh too? Put y'all on. Oh, look at that. Mm-hmm.